Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Today I have a very useful information for you. The National Eligibility Test 2021 is going to happen. The University Grant Commission National Eligibility Test UGC NET December 2020 cycle May 2021 has announced. The National Testing Agency NTA has been established by the Ministry of Education as an independent, autonomous, self-reliant and self-sustained premier testing organization. It has been entrusted by University Grant Commission and Ministry of Education, Government of India, with the responsibility of conducting the University Grant Commission UGC NET examination. The NTA will conduct the NET exam for junior research fellowship and eligibility for assistant professorship on 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 14th and 17th of May 2021. The test will be comprises of two papers. One is 100 marks, 50 questions and 200 marks, 100 questions. Both will be based on the computer based test will be conducted, and the timing of the exam is 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and the second shift will be 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. The exam will be conducted for 3 hours. The candidates who desire to appear in the test may see the detailed notification given in the bulletin for UGC NET December 2020 cycle, which is conducted during May 2021, which will be available in the website of www.nta.ac.in. The site is open from 2nd February 2021. The online application form will open from February 2nd, 2021. As I told you, candidates who desire to appear for this exam are required to apply online between the dates 2nd February to the March 2nd, 2021. The application fee can be paid up to 3rd March 2021. Those who are interested for applying for writing UGC NET exam are required to apply now. The rest of the details, that is the syllabus, the preparation, all that would be discussed in the upcoming videos. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe. If this information is useful, kindly share it with your friends and others in the contact. Thank you very much for watching Doctor's Academy for Taxation and Accounting.